So as I was mentioning, the plight of Kali Yuga. In every single thing, there are always two aspects. One aspect of Kali Yuga is that everybody is degraded, everybody is simply interested in the matter, everybody is simply interested in sense gratification, everybody is doing heinous activities. And as the time is passing, the speed of doing things also is fast as the time is passing. And at the same time, in this same era of Kali Yuga, those who practice bhakti, they move towards Krishna much faster than before as time goes. So exponentially the speed increases. Here the speed increases to go down, and there the speed increases to go up to Krishna. So that is why Kali Yuga is worshipped by sages. Those who are, Trikaladarshi, those who are there from Satya Yuga. There are many people. Ashwatthama is there, Vyasamuni is there. There are many people who are all throughout the ages, they are there. And they can see Satya Yuga, what is the quality, Treta Yuga, what is the quality, who is going to come, Dwapar Yuga, what's going to happen, Kali Yuga, what's going to happen. And everybody knows Kaler, Dosher, Nidher Rajan. So much, Nidhi means ocean, big treasure of faults. You see everywhere there are faults, every single place. Nothing is right actually. You go, any small thing you want to do, there is so many problems, corruptions, so many negativities, so many struggles are there. So simple things, But still, Asti Eko Mahan Guna is worshipped by sages. Because the degraded the age is, the more the degradation, that much multiplication and exponential benefit is there by being in Kali Yuga and trying to worship Krishna. So all the demigods, I don't know exactly where it is going, but I've been hearing it right from the beginning of my introduction to Krishna consciousness. And all the demigods are standing in line to take birth in the family of Vaishnavas. So that, instead of living lakhs and lakhs of years of life in the heavenly planets, enjoying sense gratification to the ultimate degree, those who are wise demigods, everybody is not wise there, please understand. Only those prominent names whom we know, they are pure devotees and they are serving Krishna in a very wonderful manner. So such people who are in the association of such devotees and such people who are in the company of Narad Muni, like sages who visit Swargalokas, who realize that we are wasting here thousands and thousands of years just enjoying good smell and apsaras and good food and flowers and Nandanvan and so many things, but life is just an account of punya. And then Shene Punya Marta Loke Vishanti. Again we have to come down after that affluent life of millions of years. So better to stand in line for Kali Yuga instead of Satya Yuga line. Because Kali Yuga line is max 100 years. As per the prediction only. The max life is 100 years and it's reducing day by day also. Life is going down. So then what happens? Within few years of some effort, you can go back to Godhead. Not to get liberation or not to Brahma Jyoti. Straight one can be back to Godhead. Or straight one can be situated on the platform of Shuddha Bhakti and be wherever the Lord wants under the full protection of love and affection. So always, in everything that we see, there are two sides. One is the worst side and one is the best side. And we need to get trained to see the best side always, so that we don't get discouraged. And we continue our services, continue our life, and more important than all these things, be happy while continuing our life.